Patching drywall is not particularly difficult, but it can be really messy because once the joint compound dries, you have to sand it with sandpaper. And that creates a lot of really super fine dust that's virtually impossible to collect. So rather than using sandpaper to smooth the joint compound, try using a scouring sponge. This is much better, much faster, and it doesn't create any dust. So you get the sponge, dip it into a bucket of warm water, and you want to squeeze out the excess, because otherwise you just have water dripping all over the place, all right? You want to get out all the excess. Then use the scouring side of the sponge to smooth out the joint compound. You can see how quickly and easily it starts to dissolve the joint compound. Now this is perfect when you're patching a hole in drywall, maybe made by a doorknob or something like that. You wouldn't want to do an entire wall with it, but it's great for small patches like this one. Then you can see after just a few seconds, how the excess joint compound just disappears and comes out perfectly smooth and absolutely no dust.